You gotta get that.
Yeah, Voltron.
Voltron,
Second
pare,
edition
Voltron.
Voltron. Second edition Voltron.
Y'all know the name. D. Source.
My job, doing my job, doing my job, doing my job, doing my job.
Alright, Thai fans, it's D-Source, another boxing trip. We're headed to Puerto Galera to catch one of Elmer Anuran's cards featuring Norberto Gonzalez, undefeated prospect from the Philippines. Check it out.
Yo, everybody, just move, throw your hands, do a dance, lift a glass, shake your ass, not you bruh, it's cool, just throw a two up, nod your head, come on and just get into it, go get a drink, and just, chill. CJ, we wanna welcome everybody to the DF show, and this is CJ speaking in case you didn't know. We're glad that you could join us, so chill and relax while I, Mug, Poe, and Hydro provide the raps. Fellas, I hope they let you in wearing your hats, especially if you left the crib with the shirt to match.
At tuwang-tuwa po ang mga taga-Puerto Galera dahil nandito na po ang boxing. Pero sa boxing ba talaga sila natutuwa o sa ring guard girl? Ano sabi mo dito dyan?
Masasabi ko lang dibdiban ng labanan dito.
Ay nako, yan na po. Dahil talaga naman pong umaapaw at saganang-sagana sa aksyon ang bakbakan ng mga bakbakero.
Mga bakero.
Throw your hands, do a dance, lift a glass, shake your ass, not you bruh, it's cool, just throw a two up.
O Cheats, kwento mo, saan tayo ngayon? Biyahe na naman tayo dahil sa boxing, no?
Oo, yung mga addict tayo eh.
O, saan tayo ngayon?
Punta tayo Puerto Galera for the Roberto Gonzalez versus Ryan Sermona fight.
Alam, matagal na natin sinusubay ito si Roberto Gonzalez, no? Ito sa isa sa mga pinaka magaling na fighters nito ni kaibigang Elmer Anuran, eh.
Oo.
No?
Oo. Tapos yung kalaban niya bro, power-wise, mas malakas to kaysa sa Baluig Bangoyan. Kaya nang dapat nating abangan. Nakita ko tong bata to from the start of his career sa Bacolod kasi kay Reverend Guanzon to eh.
Okay.
Oh, may knockout punch, may
Ay,
knockout.
nasaan na tayo ngayon? Ano
Pasakay
to?
na tayo ng fast track from Batangas.
So, nasa Batangas tayo ngayon?
Pagkang Puerto Galera.
Okay. Okay. Tingnan natin kung makakatawid tong batang ito sa bangka. Ayun, nakatawid na. Si Joey Boy. Oh, Cheats. So, nasa na tayo ngayon?
Malapit na tayo sa island.
Anong island ba to?
Puerto Galera, it's Oriental Mindoro.
Okay.
So, talagang yung fight natin.
Pwede nga, ano yan? Ano yung hawak mo dyan?
Ito yung gagamitin mamaya sa about
Nag-gloves.
8 ounce.
Ano ba to? May padded ba to? Padded?
Kaya so far wala pa namang load to. Sabi ni Elmer kasi mamaya pa yung semento gagamitin,
Okay.
sand wraps.
Yan ba yung galing kay Margarito na gloves? Tagi dito, sino naman na laban na pananalibigan natin dito?
Well, Roberto Gonzalez versus Raymond Sermona. Yung Roberto Gonzalez, nakita natin yan against Baluig Bangoyan. Na-knockdown siya pero naka-recover. Binugbog si Bangoyan and he came with he escaped with a unanimous split lang yan pala. Split decision na panalo, no? So dito naman, this is a tougher test kasi mas malakas tong Sermona na to, mas malaki. Kung nagre-reduce, okay lang. Pero after na maka-recover, after ng weigh-in, malaki talaga tong batang to at malakas. So this will be a tough test for Roberto Gonzalez. Pag na-knockout niya ito, this will be very good for his career. Lalo na pinaglalabanan dito is the IBF Pan-Pacific Lightweight, Super Featherweight na belt.
Okay.
Good evening, fight fans. Andito po tayo sa island ng Puerto Galera upang masaksihan ang bakbakan between Roberto Gonzalez and Ryan Sermona ng Negros Occidental. Ang laban po na ito ay para sa bakanteng IBF Pan Pacific Super Featherweight title. Nandito po kami ni D-Source. Ako si Chito Katangkatan para i-cover ang event ito para sa inyo. Hasan!
Osito, kita mo naman na medyo sinisebo-sebo ka dito, minamantika ka. Pero ito boxing talaga, no?
Kita mo naman pare kung gaano ka-addict ng boxing ang mga tao dito.
Talk about this atmosphere, Bruce. What do you think about this fight atmosphere over here?
New.
Beautiful, right? Back to the roots, huh?
Fantastic.
Alright, that's referee Bruce McTavish. You know how it is. He's one of the top referees here in the Philippines, and you already know. If you don't hear his name, if you don't see his name in my articles, it means he's doing a good job. Right, Chito?
Yeah, right.
Wala pa referee, nagsapakan na. Ayun, okay na talaga. Natatawa.
Hindi pa nagsusundukan, tumakawala. Pasensya na po kayo, sobrang takot ng referee.
Hindi naman amateur to eh. Ano, Chito? Ano rating natin dyan?
Pwede siyang bigyan ng motor.
Motor? Ano? Imo-motor boat mo? Mumotorin mo? Mumotor boatin mo?
Parang on the dream.
Honda Dream. Pangkabuhayan naman. Walang bell-bell dito na Rian! Enjoy ka sa action dito ah.
Oh, ayos, ganda.
Naalala mo ba ba nung ikaw nag-amateur?
Oo, sa amin. Nakaganto rin. Dami ng tao.
Yung dami mong pinatulog.
Hindi naman. Ayos na.
Okay, susulat na lang natin ang storya. Siyempre, kailangan nyo basahin ang ating fight recap. resourceboxing.com.
my job, doing 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 my job, doing